Aloha from Bacalar Lagoon, Mexico's best-kept secret and perhaps the only location where you'll wonder if you really need that Instagram filter. Often referred to as the Lake of Seven Colors, this magnificent freshwater lake is located close to the border with Belize in the state of Quintana Roo. Honestly, it seems as though Mother Nature simply accepted it without considering her alternatives. Bacalar Lagoon stretches approximately 60 kilometers from north to south. Although it takes longer, that is far more enjoyable than your daily commute. It is 2 kilometers wide at its broadest point, giving you ample room to avoid any noisy neighbors. It's the second largest freshwater lake in Mexico, and let's face it, who needs the ocean when you've got this? The lake's beauty is its main attraction. Seriously, you might be tempted to just sit here, gaze at the water, and question all your life choices. Grab a book, or don't, because you'll probably spend more time staring at the view than reading. Bacalar is that kind of place. The lake's edges are quite shallow, making them ideal for effortlessly floating. The cenotes, however, should be avoided because they are so deep that it feels as though you are looking into a chasm. Best explored by sailboat, kayak, or, if you're very bold, your own creativity. Something even more amazing can be found beneath the lagoon's surface, ancient stromatolites. These cauliflower-looking formations are like the grandpas of the natural world, having been around for billions of years. Respect your elders, people, don't step on them. In the mood for some adventure? You're covered by Active Nature Bacalar. They provide guided canoe and kayak excursions, bike tours, and jungle walks, all aimed at transforming you into the nature enthusiast you pretend to be on your dating profile. They are at Villas Ecotucan, which is 5 kilometers north of Bacalar. If you want to stay somewhere that makes you feel like the star of your own nature documentary, this is a great place to stay. Visit the surrounding Mayan ruins at Chachaban, Zybanch, and Cohunlich for a stroll through history. Because there are less people at these ruins, you can act as though you found them on your own. Encircled by a lush jungle, they provide the ideal lost-in-time atmosphere. Additionally, if you enjoy birding, visit Villas Bacalar. They can arrange for a tour that includes a walk through the jungle and ruins along with birdwatching. The quaint settlement of Bacalar is located on the lagoon's western bank. It boasts an 18th-century fort of San Felipe, history, and culture. The fort is an excellent place to pretend to be a hero, fighting pirates, or at least to take a selfie that makes you look like one. Bacalar Lagoon is a refuge for vacationers looking for peace and quiet, adventure, or simply the perfect place to show off their new swimsuit. Bacalar offers a wide range of activities, including kayaking, paddleboarding, and simply drifting like a contented little cloud. Please keep in mind that Wednesdays are off-limits to visitors because even lakes need time to themselves.